guys. Quezon Avenue, Quezon City. Quezon Avenue guys, oh. Quezon Avenue, corner Banawi. Lunch time na guys. Lunch muna tayo guys. Basta Quezon City may ganito sa bike, oh. Pag Quezon City kain muna. Yes guys. Thank you for watching the guys.